Do you want to change the world? How about make an impact on your community? Have you thought about starting a 501c3 or a charity, but you're unsure how or where to begin in the process? Well, we've developed a free guide that walks you through the process step by step. Our tax professionals created the Start Your Own Charity or 501c3 Your How-To Guide. And this free guide makes it doable for you to apply and get tax-exempt status approved fast. Complex steps are broken down into doable sections. Difficult IRS rules are easily explained. Do-it-yourself steps that teach you the ins and outs of getting your 501c3 approved and approved fast. And the best part about this guide is that it's free. All you have to do is click on the link below, enter your name and email address, and the guide will be sent to you. Starting your own charity or 501c3 just got easier. Sign up now.